Hello, and welcome to this tutorial for the Simple Meal Planner spreadsheet. My name is Tony, and I'm the creator behind Top Sheets. I design spreadsheets for both Google Sheets and Excel, focused on helping with productivity, organization, school, business, lifestyle, and more. On my shop dashboard, you can see the range of templates I've created to make planning and tracking easier. In this video, we're focusing on the Simple Meal Planner template. This template is perfect for anyone who wants to plan meals effortlessly, organize groceries, and track everything visually, all in one simple, organized, and easy-to-use planner. I'll walk you through how to access the template, how to set it up step by step, and I'll share some tips and tricks for customizing it to your needs. The Simple Meal Planner is made up of two main tabs, plus an app-friendly tab for Google Sheets users. First is the Intro tab. Here, you'll find detailed written instructions, tips and guidance to get started quickly, as well as a link to get in contact with me for any questions. Next is the Meal Planner tab. This is your main workspace. Here, you can plan your meals for the week and list any groceries needed for each day. Now, if you're using Google Sheets on a mobile device, there's also an app-friendly version of the Meal Planner tab. The mobile app doesn't display text behind charts, so this version places the statistics below each chart for a smoother experience. If you plan to use the template only on your phone or tablet, you can delete the original Meal Planner tab and just use this one instead. First and foremost, I'm going to show you how to access your template. After purchasing the Simple Meal Planner from Etsy, you'll receive a PDF download that looks similar to this one. This PDF is included with your order and can be found on your Etsy account under Purchases and Reviews. You'll also get an email from Etsy with the download link. Just click to download and open the file on your computer or device. Inside the PDF, you'll find direct links to both versions of the spreadsheet, one for Google Sheets and one for Microsoft Excel. Each version is platform-specific, meaning the Google Sheets link will only work in Google Sheets and the Excel link will only work in Excel. These templates work almost identically across both platforms, so you can choose whichever one you prefer. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Google Sheets version, but don't worry, the steps are almost identical for the Excel version as well. Because these are template links, you won't immediately be able to edit the file that you open. The first step is always to make your own personal copy. This ensures that you can enter your information without affecting the original template. If you're using Google Sheets, click the associated link in the PDF. This will open a preview of the template in your browser. From here, you'll either see a button that says Use Template, or if you're just viewing the sheet, go to the top menu and click File and make a copy. Once you make a copy, the template is fully yours to edit, and you can rename it or move it to any folder in your Google Drive. Important note for mobile users. If you're trying to open the Google Sheets version directly on a phone or tablet, sometimes it doesn't save properly to your drive right away. I recommend opening the link on a computer first, making your copy there, and then you'll be able to access it normally in the Google Sheets mobile app. If you're using Excel, the link in the PDF will open the file in Excel Online. From there, you can either click File, create a copy online to save it to your OneDrive, or choose Download a copy to save it directly to your computer. Keep in mind, though, that the desktop Excel app requires a paid subscription. If you don't have one, you can continue using Excel Online for free, or use the Excel app for your phone or tablet instead. Once you've made a copy, you'll have your own editable version of the template, whether in Excel Online or on your desktop Excel app. So just remember, open the PDF from your Etsy purchase, click the appropriate link for either Google Sheets or Excel, and then make your own copy before entering any data. This ensures you always have access to a clean master copy, which I may update with new features or improvements, and a personal copy that you can use for your own meal planning. Now that your copy is ready, let's look at how to use your Simple Meal Planner. Let's start with the Intro tab. Here, you'll find detailed written instructions on how to use your template. At the very top, you'll see a link to my Etsy store. That's the easiest way to reach me if you have any questions. Just click through and send me a message. Below that, you'll see a language dropdown. Many of my templates are available in English, German, Spanish, and French, so you can pick the language that you prefer. Just note, the written instructions on the intro tab and the tab names won't change here. To have those in another language, you need to purchase that specific language version of the template, which you can find in my Etsy store. Next is the version number. This shows you when your copy of the Simple Meal Planner was last updated. Right under it is a new template link. If I've released an update, you can click that link to access the latest version. To check, simply compare the version number in your template with the one in the new template link. You'll also notice a checkbox called Highlight Editable Fields. When you check this, the cells that you can edit will turn green. This is really helpful if you're unsure about which parts you should change versus which ones are locked with formulas. If you ever try to edit a locked cell, Excel or Google Sheets will stop you. But the highlight tool makes it easy to know exactly where to focus. Now let's take a look at the Meal Planner tab itself. First, set your week's start date. At the top of the template, enter your desired start date in the field labeled Week of. You can double-click the cell to open a calendar and easily select your date. Next, choose your week's start day. Use the drop-down menu next to Start of Week to select whether to show your week beginning on Sunday or Monday. Then it's time to plan your meals. For each day of the week, enter your planned breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. You can list up to 3 meals or additional items per category. After that, create and manage your grocery list. Under each day, list the ingredients or items that you need to purchase. As you go shopping or check your pantry, simply mark the checkbox next to each item to show that you either already have it or have just purchased it. Finally, the ingredients on hand charts will automatically update, showing the percentage of ingredients you currently have for each day of the week. And that's it. That's all it takes to stay organized and consistent using the Simple Meal Planner template. Now that we've covered all the tabs, let's dive into some tips and tricks to help you customize and get even more out of your Simple Meal Planner. These work in both Google Sheets and Excel, though the steps differ slightly between the platforms. First, let's talk about what to do when the week has ended. Once you've finished planning your meals for the week, you have 2 options. You can start fresh for the new week, or you can duplicate the tab to save your progress. If you want to start over, simply clear all the inputs at the end of the week. A quick tip: if you want to uncheck a bunch of boxes at once, just highlight all the checkbox cells and press your spacebar. If you'd rather save your completed week to look back on later, you can duplicate the tab instead. To do that, right-click on the Meal Planner tab and select Duplicate. If you're using the Excel version, choose Move or Copy, and then select the Meal Planner tab. Once your new tab is created, you can rename it by double-clicking the tab name. For example, I'll rename mine with the title that signifies the new week. After that, simply select a new start date, clear the previous checkboxes, and adjust your meals and ingredients as needed. And you're ready to start planning for your next week. Now let's talk about changing the colors. If you want your template to match your style, it's easy to update the theme. For Google Sheets, simply click the paint bucket icon in the toolbar, click the pencil icon next to Custom, and then modify the colors in the accent 1 through 6 slots. You can also adjust the text color and chart background color, which acts as an additional accent color on this template. These changes then automatically apply throughout the spreadsheet. If you're using Excel, the first step is to unprotect each tab on the spreadsheet. That way, the changed colors can update throughout each tab. Then, go to Page Layout and select Colors. If you're on a Mac like myself, you'll not have the ability to update the individual accent colors, Instead, you can choose one of Mac's preset theme combinations or upload your own custom color theme. Be sure to go back and protect each tab again so you don't accidentally edit any of the locked cells. And that's how you use your simple meal planner spreadsheet. It's designed to make planning meals, organizing groceries, and staying on top of your weekly menu simple, visual, and stress-free. If you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out to me through my Etsy shop. I'm always happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.